Welcome to Spice of Life. Today we're going to cook a tasty dal mash, a dish that's perfect for any occasion. Picture the aroma of spices filling your kitchen as you make this hearty meal for your loved ones. Okay, add 2 cups of oil. Once the oil is hot, toss in 2 medium chopped onions. As the onions turn golden brown, let me share a little story. Growing up, the sound of onions frying in the kitchen always meant something special was being cooked. It was a sign of good things to come and a moment that brought everyone together. Now, this part is crucial. When the onions are perfectly browned, include a tablespoon each of chopped ginger, garlic, and green chilies. The sizzle and the smell, wow, just amazing. Cooking is about layering flavors, and this is where our dal mash starts to build its base. Now it's time to add 1 cup of tomato puree. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. It's amazing how a simple ingredient can transform the dish, adding depth and richness. Then introduce 2 chicken stock cubes. These cubes give our dal a special flavor, creating a rich, thick sauce that is the heart of our dish. This step adds depth and complexity. To enhance our tale, we add salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Cook the masala on a low flame for 5 minutes, letting the flavors meld together. These spices are the climax of our story, bringing everything together with a burst of flavor. Now imagine the spices melding, releasing vibrant colors and aromas. Everything comes together, each spice adding its essence. The air fills with a rich fragrance, hinting at the flavors developing in the pot. You can almost taste the richness, promising a delightful dish. Now it's time for our heroine, Dal Mash, to join the story. Add half a kilogram of Dal Mash, which has been washed and soaked in warm water for an hour. Mix it well into the masala, ensuring every grain is coated with the rich sauce. This step is crucial as it allows the dal to soak in all the flavors, making it the star of our dish. It's moments like this that show the importance of patience. Just like letting the dal soak in rich flavors, life rewards us for taking our time. Enjoy each step. The results will be worth it. Add a glass of water, cover the pan, and let the dal cook on a low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. This slow cooking allows the flavors to penetrate deeply, making the dal tender and flavorful. It's like the story simmering towards its satisfying conclusion, where patience brings out the best results. This slow process reminds me of the beauty of patience, how it enriches both food and life. Just like a good story, the longer it simmers, the richer it becomes. Patience in cooking turns simple ingredients into something truly special, showing that good things take time and are worth waiting for. In the final moments, sprinkle some garam masala and cumin powder. These final touches complete our story, adding the perfect finishing notes to our dish. As I sprinkle these spices, I think about our journey in the kitchen. Cooking isn't just about recipes, it's about making memories. Each dish tells a story and adds character. Each time I cook this, I'm reminded of the warmth and comfort it brings. It's a tradition that connects the past and the future. Cooking shows love and celebrates life's simple joys. And here it is, our delightful dal mash, beautifully garnished with fresh ginger, coriander, and green chilies. This garnish not only adds beauty but also enhances the flavor, making our dish as visually appealing as it is delicious. This dish reminds me of family gatherings where the aroma filled the air and brought everyone together. Sharing food is about the joy and love that comes with every bite. Thank you for joining me on this cooking journey. Please like and subscribe for more lovely dishes. Have a wonderful day.